Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kaizer Chiefs versus Swelele FC bafethu, igame interesting kakhulu for Kaizer Chiefs, but I think Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi kuyiwina le game la. I don't see them kuba nama complications ukuthi maybe bazostruggle ukuthola ama results. I don't see that at all. But kasingene negamini sibona ukuthi previously Kaizer Chiefs yenze kanjani lapha no Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs ina 15 points, Swelele FC sina 7 points, but Kaizer Chiefs idlale 8 games, Swelele FC idlale 9 games. Kusho ukuthi Swelele sile mawuthatha ukubheka Iswelele kulokho isitwele i-relegation in a way. They have to start collecting ama-points against Kaizer Chiefs. Amanye ama-player, ama-former Kaizer Chiefs players, they have something to prove. I think against Kaizer Chiefs they'll be motivated ukuthi bathole ama-result. La ngikhuluma ngoNokovic, ngoPotsane, uSayile angimazi ukuthi because ngimbone kule cup badlala neMaruma ngizange ngimbone. But yeah, it's a big game for Iswelele FC, but it's a bigger game for Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Bana 15 points, badlala ama-8 games. Mamelodi Sundowns ihleli phezulu idlale 10, ina 21 points, idlale 10 games. Kaizer Chiefs if ingakwazi ukuwina the next 2 games, izolingana neMamelodi Sundowns ngama-points bafowethu. Even if Mamelodi Sundowns iyadlala, they get more points, but guess what, Kaizer Chiefs in terms of like possible points engawatholi ngakwazi ukulingana neMamelodi Sundowns, so they have to win next 2 games wabo ukuthi bazi re-establish as ama-contenders of i-title ye-Betway. And then ku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-players wabhekile bafethu, possibly angadlala uvele angadlala. Abantu abaningi ba-expect ukubona ama-player amasha laphana Kaizer Chiefs athole opportunity ukuthi adlale. Will be exciting bafethu ukubona uvele bayathola opportunity ukuthi adlale laphana overall bafethu. I mean uModi siyamazi ukuthi u-talented, but I mean siyazi ukuthi i-performance yakhe iyaphansi naphezulu, so vele should be given a chance. Simbone umfana after 2 years iKaizer Chiefs imfuna ukuthi sekafikile uKaizer Chiefs uzodlala kanjani against Iswelele FC. Has been cleared for some time, for iviki or so, ukuthi akwazi ukuqala ukudlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. UMayo-ke uye engime-expect-ile ukuthi uzoba i-strike e-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean once Mayo hit the ground running, I mean uzokwazi ngempela ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Possibly uLebohang Maboy, mina I would start with uLebohang Maboy, ngibeka umthetho ebhenchini. Why ngisho so? Because umthetho, as much as he has performed, umthetho ayikho into wrong ngaye at the moment. He has really performed for i-Kaizer Chiefs, a protected defense. But I don't see Kaizer Chiefs defending kakhulu against Iswelele. I see Iswelele siba under attack kakhulu, Kaizer Chiefs siba attacker, Iswelele kumele ba defend isikhathi esiningi. So ukulokhu njani ukudlalisa umthetho kuzoslowa i-attack ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine if unomuntu ofana noMaboy one-versatility, versatile okwazi ucontribute naphambili, okwazi ukutracker laphana abe i-6, abe i-8, adlale i-position 6 or abe i-8 noma ngithi abe i-8 adlale futhi i-10. So i-play creative kakhulu. So they need more attacking people than ukuthi bavele badefende ngabantu bafaka i-defensive abantu abawu-6 or abawu-7. Badinga abantu aba-creative. Imagine unoMayo, unoVelebayi, unoLilepo laphana, uba nawo uMduduzi Tshabalala or Gustin Sirino. I-firepower siyibone or uVilakazi, attack uzocreate ama-opportunities. Possibly-ke ukwazi ukuwathatha lawo ma-opportunities lawo wa-creator uzokwazi ukuwina igame. I don't see Iswelele siyibambela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean le game lena bafethu ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayiluze ayikho enye. It's Kaizer Chiefs to lose them. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, they've really done well bafethu ukuthi bangaconcede kakhulu. So kulele kulabantu abalaphana phambili ukuthi baqale ukushaya ama-goals. Ayikho phela lento yabo overall bafethu yokuthi bangakwazi ukuthatha ama-opportunities. Ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs are frustrated. I mean they are saying online, when I'm seeing things, they are saying kumele bayiwine le game le. Kumele baqale ngempela ukuthi badlalise ama-new signings wabo, because they cannot afford ukuthi babe na same problems as last season ukuthi the creating opportunities but abawathathi lawo ma-opportunities lawo. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoDupreez kancane bafethu. Ngibona i-interview yabhuti la uke wadlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukukhala ngokuthi ukhuluma ngezinto ezi-affecta uDupreez laphana. uPhumlani Mkhize bafowethu uthi to be honest usathukile. Cabanga imthusile lento le ukuthi uDupreez ugeje i-open goal kunganayo no ugoalkeeper akekho nokuba khona lapha epaleni, but uDupreez uhlulekile ukukora tap in. Hayi, but uthi ucabanga ukuthi into affect uDupreez ukuthi uluze ubabakhe. Uthi-ke uDupreez uyabonakala ukuthi he tend to ukuthi ageje ama-opportunities alula, but-ke uscora kuma-opportunities lawa difficult. uthi akasuggest, is not suggesting ukuthi uDu Plessis uyageja on purpose, but sometimes i-player maybe liba unhappy with ucoach ukuthi akamvelui laphana, nanokuthi ucoach maybe akamqalisi emagemini amaningi. Maybe leyo nto leyo i-leader to i-player ukuthi lingafaki i-full effort ukuthi lidlale. Yeah, I think kule statement lesakhe bafethu, ukuluza ubabakhe uDu Plessis akusiyo excuse ukuthi ageje i-chance enje, akusiyo excuse ngempela. Lento, I mean, this what has killed the game. Nenza ama-play ukuthi a-weak. Umuntu ugeje i-opportunity engaka, abantu still kuthiwa kunga-attack-iwe ama-play. Kanjani bafethu if umuntu uzogeja i-chance eso? Kanjani? Bathule bathi, ama-fans athule athini ngempela mebona i-moment eyihlazo kanje, because there's no way we-professional football ugeje into ekanje. Maningi ama-chances obvious uDu Plessis awagejayo, but isithemba ukuthi mani uzofunda kulezi zinto. But umuntu o-approach it bafethu ufunda kanjani, and to what extent umxolela ulokuthi uzo-improve. Khona ezinye izinto obonayo na ukuthi hhayi bafethu, phela uma utatazela ungayidlaleli-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs, hamba udlalela i-team encane la uzogeja khona kakhulu, but i-buzz ngeke ibe khona. So if you can't handle i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, go get i-team encane bafethu, la owazi khona ukuthi kwagogo uyazenzela. So I mean, come on, like amanye ama-excuse, as much as lento leyo kuthiwa kuprotect-iwa nama-player, but umuntu i-moment esoyi-protect-a kanjani? Asazi ngempela uyi-protect-a kanjani? A lot of people are hurt bafethu, are really hurt about what's happening ngempela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And sebanalento leyo ukuthi abasathembi nanokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokora. Imagine if i-Kaizer Chiefs wa-create ama-opportunities but abawathathi lawo ma-opportunity. Iswele lesithola nje one chance isayivalela, i-Kaizer Chiefs idliwe. Ngibone uSiya laphana online uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ikwazi ukuba clinical laphana phambili. Uyasho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala kahle kakhulu, but-ke nje okusele ukuthi ibe clinical, ikwazi ukuwashaya ama-goal overall. Omunye uthi akufundiswe ama-forwards bafethu ukuthi korwa kanjani. But i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele i-make sure ukuthi iyawina bafethu, there's no excuse this time around. Abantu njengoba bengishilo ukuthi okay, bafuna ukubona ovele baya-think is a obvious pick ukuthi nami ngiyafuna ukumbona, but bafuna ukubona u-Ighodaro, bafuna ukubona uCheslett, bafuna ukubona uMaboyo travelele ne-team, but could not make the final squad, the match day squad laphana eCongo. Yeah, frustrating result recently for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Into ekumele bafethu ibuzwe enye ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-player wakhona sewa-recoverile from lento yabo yalaphana eCongo, because ucoach uthe bebane-running stomach, kubonakala ngathi ukudla vele okubagijimisile, i-poison noma yini. Izinto kumele siyibuze ukuthi sebakwazile na ukurecover, ukuthi laba bebanenkinga ama-player awu-5 or so seba-recoverile and then they're ready for selection. But yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs inama-player amaningi kakhulu bafethu, i-depth. But yeah, before ngikhohlwa ilento engikhulume engithinte kancane, i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu yenza kahle kakhulu. I mean, ku-continental level basa-concede 1 goal. Ileya away futhi bekhaya ku-return leg badlala kahle kakhulu, they created opportunities there, but they only scored 1 through Lilepo. Away azange ba-concede futhi, at home kumele bazame ukuthi banga-concede noma-ke bangashayi just a goal ukuthi bakwazi ukuprogressa to the next stage of the competition, which is not gonna be easy. But i-team bebadlala nayo ifile bafethu, hhayi la team leya ayi-qualify, like ngeke ikwazi ukumatch i-Kaizer Chiefs, to be fair. I-Kaizer Chiefs, if i-Kaizer Chiefs izoluza noma izohluleka uku-advance to the next stage of the competition, kuzobe kuyinkinga yabo. Iswele FC bafethu siyazi ukuthi sino-goalkeeper odlala laphana kuBafana Bafana, but Iswele they are not a good team overall bafethu. Siyivale nje ngale match le, ngibona i-Kaizer Chiefs ishaya Iswelele, but if i-Kaizer Chiefs iyahluleka ukushaya Iswelele-ke, ama-draw yawashaya-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs in recent games. Possibly maybe worst result ingaba i-draw, but I don't see Celtic why ngithi Celtic Iswelele, because yeah, I don't see Iswelele surprise i-Kaizer Chiefs ngokuthi iswine bafethu, there is no chance. But at the same time mhlampe i-pressure izoba too much kwamanye ama-play ukuthi ba-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs kahle, sithembe ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwathola ama-results. Prediction, I would say Kaizer Chiefs 2, Swelele 0 bafethu. There's no way they're beating i-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Before ngivala, abafowethu abazoba e-stadium wake kule match le Swelele ne-Kaizer Chiefs, If stadium, you can holler at me. Mina, I'll give you an interview for one of the biggest media, sport media platforms. Danko bafowethu. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi yini surprise. Danko.